In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to Kit.com. We'll set this up with Zapier so new leads from your Facebook lead ads flow straight into Kit automatically, saving you time and reducing copy-paste errors. Start by opening your Zapier home dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, do that first so you can create a new automation. On the dashboard, click Create, then choose Zaps to start building a fresh workflow in the editor. At the top of the editor, click the Trigger section. In the app search, type Facebook and select Facebook lead ads. For the trigger event, choose the option that captures incoming submissions in real time, most commonly new lead. Connect your Facebook account when prompted and grant the requested permissions so Zapier can read your pages and forms. Next, pick the specific Facebook page and the exact lead form you're using for your ad. Use Test Trigger to pull in a recent submission. This confirms you've chosen the right form and gives you real data to map later. If you don't see sample data, make sure the form has at least one test lead and that the correct page and form are selected, then try again. Now move to the action step and click into it. In the search, find and select Kit, which is the Kit.com app in Zapier. Choose the action event that matches what you want to happen in Kit, like creating or updating a contact or record, based on what your Kit account supports. Connect your Kit account and authorize Zapier. In the setup screen, map each field from Facebook to the matching field in Kit, email to email, name to name, phone to phone, and any custom questions to the appropriate custom fields. Pay attention to formatting. If Kit expects first and last name separately, split the full name accordingly using the available fields. Use test action to send a sample into Kit and verify the data lands in the right place. If anything looks off, adjust your field mapping and test again until it's perfect. As you finish, give your Zap a clear name so it's easy to find later, then publish it to turn it on. From this point forward, every new Facebook lead ad submission will sync to Kit automatically. If leads stop appearing, revisit the trigger to confirm the page and form selections, check that Facebook permissions are still granted, and retest the connection. That's the complete setup. Follow these clicks anytime you launch a new form, and your leads will stay organized in Kit with zero manual work. Thanks for watching.